Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to Arabic from Zero. In our last episode we completed up to the letter Noon. Today we will complete the complete Arabic letters by learning the remaining three letters Hai, Wo and Ya. Let us explore the sounds, shapes and examples together. First letter is Ha, a gentle H like in hat or hello. Examples Hawa. Hawa in Arabic means air. Hilal. Hilal means crescent. Next, Baitu. Baitu means his house. Now, second letter is Waw. W or long vowel O. Pronunciation like W in water or is long O in moon. Example Wad. Wad means rose. Waj. Waj means face. Noor. Noor means light. And the final letter in the alphabet of Arabic is Ya. Long vowel Ya. Ya. Pronunciation like Y in S or long E in C. Examples Yad means hand. Yam means day. Kursi. Kursi means chair. By now, you might have noticed that Arabic letters can look a little different depending on where they appear in a word. At the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. Don't worry, we are here. In our next stage, we will explore these different shapes in detail. For now, just focus on the sounds and names of these letters. Okay. Today we learned last three letters of the Arabic alphabets. Ha, soft H, Waw, W or long O, Ya, Y or long E, Ya, Ya. That's it. We have now completed the full Arabic alphabets together. Keep practicing these letters and their sounds. In the next episodes, we will begin combining letters to form simple Arabic words. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Arabic from Zero. Ma salama. Thank you very much.